All right, what kind of day is it? Is installing a better Wi-Fi internet day. Setting up an eero 10 gig router and also a bunch of eero Pro PoE6 Wi-Fi ceiling antennas that get mounted to the ceiling, hardwired around the house. What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert, back in Fullerton, California. Now let's take a look at the Wi-Fi internet. Doesn't this look absolutely clean and out of the way? But remember, this is hardwired internet that I actually previously ran wiring when the house was getting remodeled all throughout the house, inside of the bedroom, inside of the primary bedroom, as you can see here. And then I also ran it over to the laundry room, going back over to a closet with hidden equipment with the main Spectre modem and also the eero Pro 10 gig router. If you want to get something done professionally like this, go to my website, hometechexpert.com.